Hello all, we members of final year ECE, M. Sai Kiran, myself and Fanidhar, B. Siddharth and K. Sairam, demonstrating a secure IoT-based modern healthcare system using the body sensor network. The main objective of this project is to measure the sensor's output and display in cloud, to monitor temperature, heartbeat and breath of the patient continuously, to know when a patient fell down suddenly, to send a message to the doctor or the caretaker whenever an abnormal value is recorded. These are the hardware components used in the project. This is the pulse sensor which is used to detect the heartbeat of the patient. This is the temperature sensor used to monitor the temperature. This is the breath sensor which is used to monitor the breath of the patient, and this is the MEM sensor which is used to detect the position of the patient. This is the analog to digital converter which converts the analog data into digital data. This is the Raspberry Pi and the software components used in the project. We're using ThingSpeak cloud to display the data on the cloud, and we're using Twilio as a platform to send the message to the doctor or the caretaker, and we're using Python for the code. So the data from the sensors is obtained, and this analog data is converted to the digital data by the analog to digital converter, and if there is any abnormal value recorded, then we create a text file through which message can be sent. A sub-process should be written where Twilio account is linked. In the sub-process, we input message from the text file and send message. If the values obtained are true, then we display the data on the cloud and we stop this. So the logic used in the source code is, this is the code which is used to convert the analog data into the digital data, and this is the code for the different sensors used, and we're using this is the code for Twilio which we use to send a message to the doctor or the caretaker. Coming to the working of the project, this is the source code and we're running the module. These are the data observed. This is the hardware, the prototype used, and now this is the temperature sensor. High temperature is observed and the abnormal value is recorded. Coming to the advantages of the project, the advantages are continuous monitoring. It can be used in hospitals on operated patients for monitoring their health parameters, and it is more accurate. The chances of human error in checking the health of the patients reduces, and the applications are health monitoring, medication monitoring and personal fitness. Finally, concluding the project, we obtain the data from the sensors, and this analog data is converted into digital data, and then the required calculations are performed and the data is observed on the cloud. When the abnormal value is recorded, we create a text file, and then the SMS is sent to the doctor or the caretaker. And we sincerely thank the faculty of the Department of ECE for their help in constructive suggestions made at the various levels of the project work, and thank the management for providing the facilities to carry out our project.